Hey Damien, hello everybody. So let's begin about the video and start.
Is not so long, waiting for the stars above. The sun goes down. Is not so long.
And that's all. So about this video, they want to show the new marketing, so a new view and reinventing their new marketing by getting into data, by creating data lakes infrastructure around the world. Sorry, by getting out of the standards, by exiting the basic messages of prices, as well as Uber's their strategy that seems to say that Renault wants to Uberize itself and to be the first constructor to drive dreams into people with the VR and other options, by testing cars into concessionaire with VR, for example. And the key word is make dreams real. About this video, Renault wants to show us that their car are real dreams, and that they use digital tools and medias to catch their objectives. And about the market share, they got 18 billion euros invested in R&D for this project. More than 5 million cars sold in order to check about 2018 to 2022. They want to double the sellings in Europe, out of Europe, sorry, and they have a view of leadership on electrical vehicles, and of course on 100% connected cars on key markets and autonomous car in 2022. That's all. And so I'll let finish my friend Damien for the next step.